More than half of Wisconsin children live in what's called a child care desert, where only one child care spot is available for every 3 kids. With a turnover rate of about 35%, child care directors are having a tough time keeping workers around. Our Madeline O'Neill shows us why and what one Dane County organization is doing to help. Maddie.
Well, Amanda, any parent can tell you daycare costs are expensive. High tuition costs and low worker wages at an average of about $10 an hour contribute to the child care shortage. Now, one of the biggest daycare providers in Dane County is making some changes.
Quality care is an investment in a child's future.
So if they're seeing the same face day in and day out, it gives the comfort to the kids.
Each day after school, the YMCA helps more than 1,100 kids learn and play in nearly 30 locations across Dane County, including here in McFarland.
We're providing safe environments for kids to be able to be their best selves.
CEO Mark Westover says about 150 kids are on a wait list for after-school programs like this.
We just are having trouble finding enough staff.
It's not just the why. Various types of child care providers across the state are having trouble with staffing.
It's a broken system currently because it's all funded predominantly through parent fees.
As a parent herself, Paula Drew of the Wisconsin Early Childhood Association knows families just can't afford more in child care costs.
It's hard, and we're having this discussion right now. Does my husband go down to part-time next year to just kind of keep us all together to cut costs?
But Drew says the average wage of $10.33 an hour can't sustain child care workers. So what's the answer?
The one-word answer is investment.
She says public investment, such as higher child care subsidies and partnerships in the private sector, can help.
Businesses are saying we need child care so that our employees can come to work.
At the Y, the nonprofit is able to afford a wage increase for its after-school workers. In February, site supervisors and school leads saw an increase of about 35 to 40%. That translates to as much as an extra $4 an hour. It's an investment, Westover says, will pay itself forward.
And it just continues to pay dividends as it goes to the kids and the parents and everyone else for that consistency of care.
Drew from the Wisconsin Early Childhood Association says there are some encouraging proposals in the state budget for early child care workers, along with the Child Care for Working Families Act on the federal level, which would address child care affordability for low and middle income families. Amanda.
Thank you, Maddie. Madison Police